Hello everyone, my name is Katie and today I'll show you how to do a simple check, verify, and append job using Melissa's Listware for Excel plugin. As you can see, I'm using a small file of company names and addresses. Listware will check that the addresses are correct and standardized and verify that they match up to these companies, and will also append phone numbers for the cases in which it's able to find them. The first thing we'll need to do is just select our processing range. So I'm going to select all and then set that as my range, and then I can move on to the next tab. Next, we'll need to choose the actions we're performing. As I said, we'll just be running check and verify, and then appending phone numbers. You can see that it lists the estimated credit usage right here. Melissa offers subscription accounts, which are all-encompassing, or also offers credit-based accounts like this one. If you're using a credit-based account, you can see approximately how many credits you'll use before processing the job. Next, we'll move on to our input columns. A lot of this will be done for you. As you can see, it auto-filled the input columns based on the column names. You can also edit columns as needed by using the drop-down. Next, we'll choose our output columns. For this job, we'll basically just be outputting the same columns we're inputting, as you can see here, along with our appended phone number. But as you can see, there are many other potential fields we can output, including census information, or property information. Okay, so next we'll come to the Report tab. A lot of the results you'll be using will simply be added to your original spreadsheet, as we'll see in a moment, but Listware will also create a separate tab with a report, including some statistics and summaries about your data and your results. I'm not going to change anything here. So finally, we'll come to the Review tab. As you can see, it provides our credit use estimate again here. Now we just need to hit Process, and it'll just take a minute to get our results. We'll save the changes, and we'll start processing. Okay, so as you can see, Listware is creating some new columns with our results. The MD prefix indicates that it's Melissa's results. All right. And the results are color-coded to indicate the items that were corrected or changed in some way. You can see that these are labeled in red. Gives us a little summary right here of the job. Okay, so the changes are labeled in red. And if we go over here, our appended phone numbers are labeled in green. And Melissa also provides result codes indicating what sorts of changes were made. And we have extensive documentation online detailing what each result code means. So that's a basic overview of using Listware. There are many other options of things you can use this software for, but the process is pretty straightforward, and we're always here to answer any questions you might have. Thank you for watching.